Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. Today is day 3, look 3 out of the 7 palette challenge. Right, so Pretty Random didn't pull this for me, but I will be doing a project pan update soon. So what I want to do is I want to be using some of the shades from here just because I want to use this today. The Too Faced Love Palette. I've not used this probably since I got it and I've had it a while. You can see, look, that Love eyeliner that I used, the black eyeliner to tight line, is actually in here. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really, really pretty. I just want to see if the shadows are still pigmented. And just looking at this, I don't think I need the Too Faced chocolate bar. I don't think I need that. Just looking at it, I feel like this quad here, well, it's 5 eyeshadows actually, not 4. This one, I'll be doing a look with those. So yeah, let's see what we can do. I wanted to do a look with this, like, I think it's like a purple shade. It's like a purple duochrome. Doesn't look that pigmented, but I wanted to do a look with that and then maybe put this one in the outer V to smoke it up. So yeah, see, that's the eyeliner that came with it, so I'm just using the last bit of it. Right, let's get this Real Techniques brush. Let's wipe it off with the colour switch. So it's the Deluxe Crease brush, and the shade I'm going to use is this one. Does it even have shade names? Yeah, sorry, it's Smitten. So we're going to use Smitten. I'm going to zoom you in, and we're going to get this mirror here. I need some of them clips, I don't know what they're called, but they kind of like just go in the side there and they don't actually ruin your curls. I've got crocodile clips, but they don't work. They completely ruin all your hard work. Well, I say hard work, I think it only took about half an hour, 40 minutes to do my hair, but it's because it's a short length. Now it goes to about there. I did cut it by myself. I probably made a mess. It doesn't look too bad and it will grow back. I'm not bothered, but I felt like it needed a cut, so I did it myself because I can't get into the hairdressers at the moment. Right, we're going to try this one as a crease shade. So that one is Romance. So who's got the palette, guys? This is, like I said, it's really old. I got it from TK Maxx a couple of years back now, so it's not like I've had it since it was released. But yeah, I'd wanted it for a while, but I felt like it wasn't worth what they were asking for. It was more than the Too Faced chocolate bars. I think they was asking for like £42 or something, like the Urban Decay ones, and I was just thinking, no, I'm not going to pay that. So I saw it in TK Maxx and I think it was 15, and I thought, well, yeah, that's a little bit better, why don't I get it? And I did some videos. I'm going to try and link the videos. They're really old, so don't judge me, guys. They are really old and I'll sound awful on them. I had no confidence back then. I think it was at least 2 or 3 years old. My confidence is growing just because I'm on camera all the time, like every single day at the moment, so I'm not feeling like I was a few years back. Right, let's go in with that shade on the other eye. I've seen a few people put this palette in project pans. It's not as old as my Too Faced chocolate bar, so I wouldn't put it in a project pan. So I've officially been using the Too Faced chocolate bar now for a year. Well, I haven't really, because I've not used it every single week or every single month, but I've used it when I can, so I can give you an update on that. I'll be doing that in the next video. That one will probably go up before this one. Right, the next shade we're going to be using is this one down here. It looks like a plum shade, and that one's called Obsessed. Let's just wipe this brush. Obsessed. It has got some shimmer in it, but it looks nice. Right, let's see if I can blend that in a little bit. I watched Andrea Mattiliano's Shop My Stash and I commented, and I didn't expect her to comment back. I mean, she's a busy woman, she's got a lot of subscribers, and she has. And I basically told her, I just said, great Shop My Stash, Andrea. I love watching your Shop My Stash and hearing your thoughts. I do weekly Shop My Stash videos. For 2021, I've decided to switch it up where Pretty Random chooses my makeup. So I told her my idea, and she said, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. That is seriously such a fun idea. I love that so much. And thank you, Andrea. I know you're never going to see this video, but thank you for replying. I've noticed, like, when I don't watch a lot of higher end YouTubers, not because they don't reply, I know they're really, really busy, but they don't even heart it. I wouldn't mind, obviously, you know, when we watch other people's content, to not even acknowledge that it's being watched by someone, I just feel like that's a bit rude. But Andrea's actually taken some time out and sent me a little message, and I really do appreciate that. So I really don't watch too many higher end YouTubers. I watch the odd one or two, like Andrea. I watch Madison Miller sometimes. Who else? I used to watch Jaclyn Hill all the time, but I don't anymore. Not for any particular reason, not for the drama or anything, just because I'm not as interested in her content as I once was. Sometimes I watch Nikki tutorials. I don't watch her as much as I used to, just because I really, really like supporting smaller YouTube channels like mine, so we can grow together. I really like that, and I feel like it's a really good community. But yeah, I would never have expected that. It doesn't take much to make me smile, does it? Right, okay, so I think we're going to go in with this one. So that one is Passion. Oh, I need to put this on silent. It is doing my head in. Right, I'm going to go in with this brush. It's from the Urban Decay Basics palette, and I really don't think it's going to be pigmented. I'm really like putting my brush in it. It's really pretty though. It's really pretty, that. I'm hoping when we spritz it, it will look better. It looks like it's like a purple plum with a duochrome of like brown underneath it. I don't know if it is, but that's what it looks like. It's got like lots of gold reflect in it. Right, let's spray the brush. We're really down to it now in this bottle. I really need to get some more. I don't know where I'm going to go though, because I don't really want to go into the city centre at the moment with COVID being at its highest. I heard on the TV yesterday that it's actually worse than it was in March and April of last year, and that is scary. The admissions are higher. So I'm just really trying to stay away. I mean, at some point my mum will need me to go to the supermarket, but I think she's okay because we did a few big shops at Christmas, so I think she's okay and I'm okay. I can go to the local Tesco, so I'm not too bothered about myself. But yeah, at some point I will need to go out for her. Oh, that is beautiful. Loving it. Right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going back in with this shade here, which is called Smitten, just on the brow bone. Right, and then I think we're going to use this one as inner corner highlight, just that one there. That one is called Cherish. Can never find the brush I want. Oh, that one's too big. Just going with this one then. Oh no, actually, this one. Make up your mind, woman. Right, so this one is the detailer brush. Just going with Cherish. Oh, that's beautiful. That would make a really nice all over face highlight. Why have I not used this palette till now? Oh yeah, that's because you've got over 150 palettes. Well, it's actually, I think it's 148 I've got at the moment. It's too much. I know people have got more than me, but it is too much for me. I'll definitely be doing another declutter soon. Right, so I'm just getting this BH Cosmetics. What number are you? I don't have a foggiest. I don't know what number it is, but it's like a wing. What you use to do your wing eyeliner. And I'm gonna put this one on again. I'm going to put Romance on, and then I'm going to put Obsessed just over the top to darken it out a little bit. It's in the way. Should have really curled my hair after I'd put my makeup on, but I don't do that. I always, especially when I'm gonna come on camera, I like to do my hair first. Right, so they're a bit watery. I think I might leave that until I've tight lined and put my mascara on, because they're a little bit watery yet down there. So we're just going to tight line with the eyeliner that came in the palette. So it's just the Love eyeliner in Perfect Black. Definitely needs to be sharpened. Right, so I've just sharpened it a tiny bit. Right, and then I'm going back in with the brush just before I forget. And we're going back in with, was it Obsess? Yeah, Obsess, this one here. And we're just going to put that on the lash line as well. I'm not putting much on because it's got glitter in it, and glitter, when it goes in my eye, I've been known to actually give me eye infections. So I'm just putting the tiniest amount on the brush. I don't even know if you can see it. Now my iPad's going off. Right, so yeah, just the tiniest amount. Then we'll put mascara on. I don't think we need that anymore. So it's just the Essence one I've been using. Won't go through the name of it because I tell you in every single video and it's not necessary for this video. And I have noticed it has been getting clumpy, so I'm just going to do one coat and not two. Should be enough. And then we just need to take the lip oil off and put the lipstick on. Right, so let's take the lip oil off. Okay, so Pretty Random chose this out for me, which was part of my Shop My Stash for last year. It's the Colourpop and Kathleen Lights in the shade Aquarius. I did swatch it in my Shop My Stash. If you've not seen it, I'm just going to leave it here so you can go and check it out, and it felt pretty dry, so I'm just going to see what it feels like on the lips. If I don't like it, then it's going to get decluttered. Right, I do still have a little bit of lip oil on, so it could be going on smoothly because of that. It seems fine, but like I said, it could be going on because of the lip oil. Just had a bit of mascara here, so just wipe that away. Yeah, I really like this, guys. I don't know why I've not used that shade a little bit more. And I do know actually, it's because I didn't used to wear a lot of purple plum toned eyeshadows, but it really is a pretty eyeshadow palette. So this is what it looks like. If you want to see any more looks with this, just drop me a comment down below and I'm more than happy to do them. But I think I'll just be doing one for this week. Pretty Random has chose 5 palettes. That's one of the palettes that it chose out for me, so this is the look that I've created. And we've got 7 palettes to use and 7 days to use them in, so it's a really busy week again. So yeah, this is day 3, look 3. I'm almost certain of it. I will see you tomorrow for day 4, look 4. So if you've not already subscribed, I would really love it. Please click the subscribe and notifications bell down below. Please like, share and comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.